Ukrul district le kapanga Shiri Lili state panit mayon kawai angarana ngi traffic security saikor ngarabing ngairo. Manipur le kare sada KTL Excel Higher Secondary School na Akash Institute ling shikta JEE NEET wuivang digital integrated program khuyung ngairo. NEC project azing di Ukrul Entrepreneurship Development Center wena taruk li kabang kuida felicitation near. Like Yangator, Achu Tangkhul Express Pvt Wungramphi Ngalung in a bami dalei, Amei sign nganangrumsa. Achu Habuki the khalei kapanga Shiri Lili state panit wuivang sapingaira. Direct Magadam Matena Tang that Mion Waki Chini Tray, wuivang kare gum matami card, kavai kangaran, take with delay. Traffic control security kangarani nung soda panit wuivang angaye, kwikagi atam, Ukrul headquarter ground, Bakshi ground, Hikatali, drainage Samsangaira, fire service with mobile bike first responder Haimir. 2025 Shiri Lili Panitwi Haugapok Angaran Angi Heritage Ground Wangayin Shiri Village Li Aju Ngator Bung Trada Akho Makaili Haipok Jili Manipuri Governor Ajay Kumar Phalanam So Samir Panit Kamayon Hili Zangigichi VVIPs Gala Governor Ajay Phalala Aju Aya Ukrul Ungzang Sirera Governor Ajay Phalala Ukrul Kashung Shid Bakshi ground surveys at the Chili Kangaran Gishok Kazang Yang Queer Nitre Habok with the washing in the Shuti Samir Panit wuivang Ukrul district headquarters Humbung Langdang Gala Shiri Khalei washing Zaikor Shungavai Shuti Samikavai Ukrul DC na Chizikami Shoka Panit atam hili yaugazat mi jungra gaji jihanda kala shwangfu karing zigi gaji paning naga washim gagan optional being wuivang mapamara safe masamara gaji wuivang shuti sami kavai hangaira wuivang aju tarik makaina tuida makada katumena tangda shuti sami kavai hangaira Medical engineering dam kawai bori ka wuivang kangaran ni katom kami pekar kuida Ukrul headquarters li khalei KTL Excel Higher Secondary School na Akash Institute ling shikwiera. Washim jili Akash Digital School Integrated Program haimida aya jubi Smart Classroom panga launch saira. Smart Classroom launch kasang ranang jili Manipur wi Additional Director General of Police Dr. I.K. Muiva IPS Namsowo Sami katomtheilak gala avu awabing the wazanga. Itumna taybai Manipur le Akash Digital School Integrated Program kwiko hi KTL Excel Higher Secondary School na kareng saya. Program hi razing the medical NEET engineering JEE wuivang Akash Institute na shoot kami KTL katomtheilak na washing jilitam kwi by kahaina. Chithada atumna class 11, 12 the mamand nidina JEE we kangaran matalak eina sabay kahaina. Akash Institute with Northeast Business Head Shiamal Bodhakul na kahang arihon Akash Institute with Manipur teaching support kami hina kareng saya. Kangshik wuivang Institute GA na KTL Excel Higher Secondary School na MOU shoy saya. KTL Principal Yermina Kamutuili NEET or JEE mang maningla katomtheilak na NEET JEE exam talaga mashok salala class 11 12 atamle kuplakin itam kuyawda competitive exam gateli la maikia sambang gawai ning rin leda paykar kuina shokatak le katomtheilak hili effort mida katom yaka mi akang salak gaji shit sangda aji hikatha angaran angi hi kui karana da hanga KTL na paykar kationaw Quick Karahi Tangkhul wuivang pekar kahak kakui ngasaranu da hangsanga. KTL School na hikata apo ngaran kakui wuivang musowo ay ki wuivang na ringapa pongshok da musot miya. Itu miyur hi maths ina science li ki wuivang zan haukala da wuivang na kangahan say. Washing gate nila Smart Classroom promotes na da Tangkhul miyur science ina maths di tiamlak ina shok ngsa kawai wuivang na kasatsanga. Avana katom kami matami aka katomtheilak na matami shokmambamra gaji maram na kasatsanga. Northeastern Council sponsor Kasa project Azingli, Pedigree College Ukruli Khalei, Entrepreneurship Development Center Win, Entrepreneurs Turuk Kabangkwida, Atum wuivang, felicitations Angranangi Rumiera. Hangdakalehi, Establish, Develop and Manage Entrepreneur Development Center, EDC Incubation Center IC in the Education Institute of Northeastern Region Goho Project Azingli Krigakana. Project G Northeastern Council Shillong Government of India sponsor Sakamina. Kalaji Indian Institute of Entrepreneurship Guwahati implement Sakamina. Northeast Abom we entrepreneurs Shako Hangpanga Kabangkwi Hai Ngajali Okro Win Taruk Kazanga Kalakatum waiting list ni Zangdalei the Hanga. Saikorung room laka EDC Center Taruk Tumralei Manipuri Katum Okrul Sanabadi Kalasisibulile. Incubation Center Matiwing Achali Manipur Incubation Center Kala Akha Manipur University Li Haimia Project Jurazingli Manipur Wayne Makadaka Gabangkria Kalaji Tarukna MU Incubation Center Taruk Ukrul EDC Panga Sanabadi EDC Kala Matina Sisipur EDC Wayne Kabangakwina. Directorate of Education Gala Samakra Shiksha Manipurna District Administration Ukruling Shikta Students Retreat Come Education Tour Mukok Mihera Learning with Nature Gajitugwe Azingni Tour Jili Manipur District Ngatatay Dwi washing shirt Bikatam now Hung Jishat Shikana Sharu Kuyera Tour Shiri Gashon Gather State Flower Gashon Dimra Won Kayang Kuya Tour Bakshi Ground Wayne as a Pokta Ukrul Ziti O Time Batan the Flick of Samia Education Tour Hilly Shiru Kuida Kalekatum now Gajivali Ziti Ojina Mayakangaya Pongshoka Shiri Kapungli Kakashunga Taran Environment Kangaja Dimlon Legishian Expo Sakavai Hangsanga Legishi Liaka Jingriga High Lera Kala Jingriga High Liaka Haksang Regsang Quirara Gajiziti Onaksat Sanga Kala Indiana Ishi Manipuri Leshi Katei Jingriga High Ena Mujut Quiranu the Ziti Obatan Kasat Hira Shurigashung kayakha so the katam nabinya Shurigapung jili cleanliness trifla zata stay flower one kavai abam li termating the high kavai otsak ina Sagittarius Nilaji Subhash Chandra Bose Avasya Vityalia we class 10 li katam nao kni Danjila maka matum gala salika kulakpan aniwi mirin li kare sada Shurigashung gagawi maramli kahang
Introduce myself. My name is Danjila. I read in class 10. Nathum Chandra Bose also Vidyalaya Lilo. Asi chiroli chin naga si yamsu nungai. Harawi kamsu awe do chiroli ubuda harawi. From class 10, I study in Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose Awishya Vidyalaya Lilong Thawal District. Koina si siroi lili yang belapa se cingkar pematamda hoa budi wai ga so koina state flower ya siroi lili si yang ani kan bakan de koina harau pamagaloi na ubu phangani kan bada wara ga so awa pumba kautwa ga koina maton haidi pixie ona bakare e ado ikoi yam nungai mafam si kulen kam oi ingaga weather si so yam nungai ba oi tuga ikoi sida community mayam amadagi su mayam haidi koi puli ba mayam sina so community to ngale hai bagi koi da karim ta kai do bulai te loina nungshi chana na loina lai minna koi gi awat pasuma koi na loina lai ba mayam sina share to naraga yam na ngai na lai je aduga koi bu sumaina chinda pupi rapa sumaina adi satra oi ganda memory oina so koi na lakani matung da phang ba yai phang da yai adu ga so koi na student life da pupi rapa sai koi di yam na nungai je duga samagra shiksha bu so koi aina thaga perform dok chari
Nitaji Subhash Chandra Bose Avasya Vidyalaya we katam now Wonguyung Vushimna Shiri termating the high kavai we maramli kahang
I would like to share some of my experience coming up here. That it was so tiring, to be honest, but by seeing the beautiful views and all, it takes away the tiredness of me, and it gives us freshness. And it is my first time seeing the flowers, so it was so beautiful and colorful. And I would like to say that let us preserve this beautiful Shirui hill and let us save this Shirui flower.
Okrul Model School li kakanao Chwingarin Zimikna awi take kwe kala awi kachihanwi maramli kahang.
Jarin Zimik from Model High School, Ukur. I'm so excited to be part of this educational tour to Shirui Peak. This is my first experience hiking the Shirui Peak, getting to see the state flower of Manipur blooming in the addition to what was learned in the textbook. Though the hike was exhausting yet very productive, we are so grateful to the organizers for including such program in the Shirui Lily Festival for the student. Thank you.
Nidachi Subhash Chandra Bose Avasya Vitalaya with shoot me Jeremy Shimrena Yari Lee Hangachupun.
Hello everyone, my name is Chirmi Shimre. I am from Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose Avasya Vidyalaya, Shangshak Ukrul district. I am working there as a headmistress in charge right now, and then I'm here with another teacher in charge. So I'm here with 10 of my students here and 2 of us teachers. So what I would like to say is this is students retreat cum education tour, which is for 3 days, 18 to 21st May 2025, under the theme of learning with nature, which is organized by Samagra Shiksha Manipur. So I really want to thank Samagra Shiksha Manipur for coming up with this program, where all the students from the Imphal Valley and even from the hills from Ukrul district are coming together as one to preserve the nature, to bring about, environmental awareness, so that we can showcase the beauty of Shirui Lili and the Shirui hills through this kind of program, especially during the Shirui festival program. So we had lots of programs we had a lot of activities today, like garbage dumping, and then interactions with the students and teachers, and the trekking part, which was very tiring, and most of us had all of us, we had a really good time. So that's it. Thank you. I think I have said a lot, but I would say let's encourage this kind of education, educational promotion, especially by students and teachers, because most of the time when it comes to festivals, little attention is given towards the education system. So I think this kind of program where attention is given towards the education system, especially during a big festival like Shirui festival, I really appreciate it, and I want people to recognize it more and support it more.
Angranangi Churi Akaisa the Village Volunteers of Development VVT Guest House li essay na painting han rumier essay gala painting han Shirui Lili Panit Kamayon gala Panit Churi Aman Gasak Tegwili Band Kwikaya Shiru Kakwi Worshim Avavu Win essay li Kani painting li Kani Zanga. Celebrating success, embracing tomorrow kachitukui azingdi, Ukrul Central School wikatam now being metric porika makan kakui graduation angaran angai Tangkhul makok mera. Ukrul Central School UCS win metric porika katam now hang jiko katali hang shatta jiko makan kuida 98.89% pass percentage sambanga. During a jali hang madida kanina first division, hang madida shini na second division gala katam now akana compartment choka. Metric Porika Katajali UCS Wina Katam now Katumna star mark Sambang, Tumara Chukona letter mark Sambanga. Achukun metric result Kashokari show the Ukrul district is Sacred Heart School na pass rate Matami Tui, Kakaniali Savio School Kalakuktumali, Ukrul Central School Kazangnaji. Felicitation ang ran ang age class 9 and 10 we katam now being avava being school jo should may being zangda mi shatru shika zanga kala bas kasa katam now being the certificate eina memento mi hero Class 10 in a tung the tam commit shoot me being nila mayakangai ningshiya zaksada wat pangran samihera. Shiri Lili Festival hili pangre safe saya welcome saya gaji Rebecca katam Ngalung RKL na pongshokaira. Janbawi RKL na lungher gala si high kulant we hetman li ngasan ga highway tili mi kishok na. Kala pangre li yaw kawali kuung akanala kashina kapur malay mara da RKL na tui mihera. Panit hili shiru kukui zaigor ringpada zangkui kawai lungher gala si high kulant RKL ling soda hospitable gala enriching experience links kawai sara gaji pongshoka. Shiri Lili panit atam hitharan okrul headquarters along li ram yaugzat bingli shekakud yan gasai masapay mara gaji okrul hunpun village authority in Shadayr. Imayur sheba sakate ngahan gate mishai mimangate ajay array gate hikata kakashung ngashen jijitesa da hunpun kachishat li hangsanga. Okrul headquarters along di mangzalaga hariyarai hikata shijin laga ram yaugzat bingli kala kachichawi ot manga tatay da zatakle bingli shekakod yan gasai kangamu kangashaw hikata hi masapay lak mara gaji saklak ina wamutinayra. Yari zaikoru na katom kami mga ina chingri gahay ringapa gala lumkalaw panit ng sarano gaji hunbun hetman HA kayaiwon hangjipona. Manipur VTF personnel being strike sa gahay we tili ngahan gala State Home Department atumi service kasay kasang janbam shokay. Manipur Home Joint Secretary na Mega Shokli Kahang, VTF personnel being od ngurut kukwiji, yarili security kami Manipur Police we, kamatay akay, kala manpower sada kuya gajahanga. VTF service with terms and conditions at issue the VTF hi, haugapogli zingkum akho ay nahaylaga, targa kasa at issue the atam ni kasi sang maman dragajina. Governor in Council na achon darik, tarada pangatang, ngasan gahay di syura, leidak le VTF with service zingkum akha haiva fura jikaina. Sanction sahida khalei VTF meeting dra shapanga leji, kala atum with service chi zingkum akha wuivang gaja. Ajukum kiying in habukta 2026 mayo darik tumrada akha ina tangrada taghaina. Chuat issued state government na atumi Bureau of Engagement Service atam matay sa ngayon da Home Joint Secretary na pao mishoka. Okrul kakita gazet may tinawing li cookie volunteers na mahadeva bamli kamawod jan kakurop ji mumusyong manado okrul police na termiera. Adibaw issued direct tradishini ngaya Sikibung Village Junction li kari kakamji miscreen na maning mana. Tangkhul volunteers pinayarili kangachi maling sa kawai yang sang kamina da termiera. Shiri Lili panit kamayoning sund confidence building measure wuivang jili volunteers kahainaji. Panit wuivang gazet community saikorali safe sa kawai kan kana pekar saikorali kuida leigaji authorities na hangaira. Marami sensitive sa hauda makamusyong janbaw mga yaw mikhavai bulis na hangaira. Ninga Creek law achot kiga hitharan kangayi authorities li report sa kawai kasatayra. Yari na issue report sa kawai Okru Police Control Room 8730090890 Litan OCLL Daisy 98622115526 Additional SP Okru 87299827754 Hiping Hili Sabayra. Shiri Lili panit atam hili chingring sa kawai authorities na sa kapay sa dalei kala wuivang communities ay ko na cooperation sa kawai police na buwaira. State level Shiri Lili panit alung hili safe sa kawai kala kahap mali kawai maturong ngaya security measure hay dalei gaji Okrul District Administration na janbaw mihera. Kaung kawa safe sa kawai kala komay kawai Okrul via yangang bokpi gzat pingna ngator bung jishat ina habok tang zin bung mati na tang dawia lungdi zat kawai salu gaji hanga. Kala ngzin bung mati witili gzat pingni security personnel ngasoda zatra. Ngya sailung bung paro witili visitors kaung kawa mamayamara da hangaira. Hangda kalehi safety and order wuivang da visitors ay koro na guidelines G. Shurikavai Ukrul Additional Deputy Commissioner Paumishoka. Shuri Lili Festival with Security Wuivang Police Personnel Shatter Langda Juhohai Dalei. CAPF Company Strada Mati Gada Beran Military Forces 18 AR 40 AR 8 Bihar Regiment 4 Maha Regiment Kala 6th MR La Zangda Yangsang Midalei the Hanga. Kangachon La Emergency Wuivang Okru Police Control Room Li Call Maningaka WhatsApp H8730090890 Li Sabaira. District Administration Helpline number screen azin li Yangkui Paira. Latui Tajari Kamdaya Bawi. Okrul District Li Kapanga Shiri Lili State Panit Mayon Kawai Angarana Ngi Traffic Security Saikor Ngarabing Nairo. Manipuri Kare Sada KTL Excel Higher Secondary School na Akash Institute Ling Shikta JEE NEET Wuivang Digital Integrated Program Kuyungaira. NEC Project Azindi Ukrul Entrepreneurship Development Center Wena Tarukli Kabangkwida Felicitation Near. Achuri Bauhiling Jangaira Bauna the Clinton Saikorali Ringapag Lakamahayazim Shung Saserano.